I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action. Zoho Campaigns. Give here the data center name. My data center is zoho.com. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So, please visit the Zoho API console. Add client. Server-based applications. Give here a meaningful client name. Give here the homepage URL and redirect URIs. So copy it from here and paste it here. Create. Copy the client ID and the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Accept it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to the Zoho Campaigns site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Zoho Campaigns. Thanks for watching.